Let's walk through the steps. Welcome to Unova's Timesheet Management module. Today, we will learn how to import, view, edit, approve, and analyze timesheets in Unova HRMS. Let's begin. 1. How to import timesheets. Managing employee work hours efficiently is crucial for accurate payroll processing and project tracking. Unova HRMS simplifies this by allowing HR managers to import timesheets in bulk using a CSV file. To start, navigate to the Timesheet menu from the side navigation panel and click on the Import Timesheet submenu. This will open a pop-up window where you can upload your timesheet file. Before uploading, ensure your file is in the correct format. Click the Download CSV Import Template link to obtain the sample file. Open the template, enter the required details, and save it in CSV format. Return to the Import pop-up window, click Choose Your File, and select the prepared CSV file from your system. Once selected, click Upload CSV File to initiate the import process. The system will process the data and update the timesheet records accordingly. That's it! You've successfully imported timesheets into Unova HRMS. 2. How to view and edit timesheets. Now let's explore how to view and edit timesheets for your team members. Navigate to the Timesheet menu from the side navigation panel and click on the Edit Timesheet submenu. This opens an interface where you can search for and update timesheet records. Select the employee whose timesheet you want to modify. Choose the year, month, and specific week, then click Search to retrieve their timesheet records. Use the Reset button if you need to clear your selections and start over. Once the timesheet loads, select the relevant project and client from the drop-down lists. Enter the number of hours worked for each date within the selected week. If the employee worked on multiple projects or for different clients on the same day, click the plus icon to add another row. To remove an entry, click the X icon next to the respective record. Use the arrows keys or buttons at the top right corner of the timesheet section to move between previous and upcoming weeks. This makes it easy to update records for multiple time periods. That's it! You've successfully edited a team member's timesheet. 3. How to approve timesheets in Unova HRMS. Timesheet data can be automatically added or approved based on predefined workflows. Managers can review the imported or manually entered timesheets and approve them with a single action. Ensure that all entries are accurate before final approval, as this data directly impacts payroll processing and project tracking. 4. How to view timesheet analytics and reports. Finally, let's dive into timesheet analytics to gain insights into workforce productivity and project efficiency. Navigate to the Timesheet menu from the side navigation panel and click on the Day-to-Day Timesheet submenu. This opens an interface divided into two sections, Raw Data and Analytics. In the Raw Data tab, you'll find a structured table displaying critical details like employee name, project, client, hours worked, and costs. Use the Export button to download this data for further analysis. You can also refine the data using filters by clicking the funnel icon and applying criteria such as employee, client, or project. Switch to the Analytics tab to view graphical representations of timesheet data. Use the drop-down menu to select categories like client, timesheet date, or project. The system generates relevant graphs, such as pie charts or bar graphs, to visualize workforce efficiency. Apply filters using the funnel icon to focus on specific data points. By following these processes, you can efficiently manage timesheets, ensure accurate payroll calculations, and gain valuable insights into workforce productivity. Thank you for watching.